Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, and today we're taking a detailed look at the Infinix 50 Pro 5G, a smartphone that's creating serious buzz in 2026. Infinix has focused on delivering flagship-level features while keeping the price accessible, and this device proves just how competitive the brand has become. Starting with the design, the Infinix 50 Pro 5G looks premium and modern, featuring a sleek body with a refined camera module that instantly stands out. The build quality feels solid in hand, making it comfortable for daily use while still looking stylish. On the front, you get a vibrant high refresh rate AMOLED display that delivers smooth scrolling, rich colors, and excellent brightness. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing social media, the visual experience feels smooth and immersive, especially for a phone in this price category. Performance is where the Infinix 50 Pro 5G truly shines. Powered by a powerful next-generation processor, this phone handles multitasking, heavy apps, and gaming without lag. Popular games run smoothly, and the 5G connectivity ensures ultra-fast internet speeds, making it future-ready for the coming years. Camera performance has also seen major improvements. The advanced rear camera system captures sharp photos with good dynamic range, while low-light photography is noticeably better than previous models. The front camera delivers clean and natural selfies, perfect for content creators and video calls. Battery life is another strong point. With a large battery and optimized software, the Infinix 50 Pro 5G easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Fast charging support means you can power up quickly and stay connected without long waiting times. Overall, the Infinix 50 Pro 5G is a complete package for 2026, combining performance, camera quality, and modern design. If you're searching for a powerful yet affordable 5G smartphone, this phone definitely deserves your attention.